Like damn, when she walking past, like damn, look at that ass, shawty bad, yeah, shawty bad. The way she got her hair, complimented all of that. Hope you don't mind me calling you the baddest bitch, cause actually, I want you, I don't wanna make you mad and shit. You on some Michael Jackson shit. Worried about the past, nigga, y'all should be worried about who hitting her after him. Looking at her walk, like damn, she a dime.
What's up, YouTube? So today I'm back with another video, and as you guys can see from the title, you already know what's going on. It's your girl Z, and welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. Today, y'all, I have to go to the dentist at 12:30. They're supposed to be doing some fillings. I'm not gonna be eating no candy no more, or I'm gonna just cut down on the amount of candy I eat, because it was a point in time where I could eat all the candy in the world and not get no cavities, but now I'm getting cavities, so I just need to chill out. So I'll go there for 12:30. The wig is off, y'all. It's been time for the wig to come off. I've just been wearing a wig to work, but I'm gonna throw it back on and cover up the edge part with this band so I don't be ghetto and wear my bonnet to the dentist. I get my hair done today at 6:30. And let me show y'all the bundles. Alright, y'all, this is where I got the hair from. This is the box it came in, and this what they had inside. One, I want to say it smells so good in this bag. For real, it smells so good. The hair smells good too. And she says she pre-washes it before she ships them. So this smells good. You did your thing for real. But it came with a scrunchie. This is the hair, y'all. It's in a net. Hold on. I got two 32s, and then this is the 34. It smells so good too, y'all. Like, it really do. Y'all, it's time for the long lengths. It's the winter. Well, it's not the winter yet, but it's getting to the winter. Christmas right there, and then my birthday in January, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that, because it's gonna be a movie. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I do know I don't want to be in the city. I do want to be out of town again. So, I don't know. And this is the 232s. They really do smell so good. And I can't wait. Like, I've been looking so bummy for the past couple of weeks. I really cannot wait until I get my hair done for real. So, y'all stay tuned. She also left me this note that my code Zankia100 will be available after I leave a review. So after I get my hair done, y'all, I'm gonna take pictures and I'm gonna leave a review so y'all can use my code to get $100 off. And I think I'm gonna bring y'all with me when I go to the dentist as well, just to add that in there as like something else. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when it's time for me to be on my way to the dentist. What's up, y'all? So I made it to the dentist. I'm gonna try to record while I'm in there, not the process, because that's gonna be weird. And I mean, I don't even be awake for real to be recording the process. I be asleep. Like the last time I was here, I went to sleep. Alright, y'all, I'm back out the dentist. The appointment was for 12:30. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my mouth is numb on this side, and yeah, it don't feel good. It's currently 1:32, so they got finished earlier because I was supposed to get more stuff done, but they was like they weren't gonna be able to do that in an hour, so I gotta come back on the 28th. But now I'm about to go home. I get my hair done at 6 o'clock, so I got a lot of time. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when it's time for me to go get my hair done. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Run you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My all the time change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I keep living inside of me. I can't see it. It's
inside of me. I can't say, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Hey.
Alright y'all, I'm back at home. And this is what my hair look like. That was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.
With a halo, I feel like I might as well just take her on. I might as well let her on my V-Long. Let her come to see knows, never let me go. Time moves faster than it did in the past, so I hop inside the passenger. I handed her my heart.